Hi, I'm Ingrid Jones at the Urban Craft Center in Santa Monica, California, and I'm here to talk about crystal centerpieces created with candles and flowers. So basically you start with whatever piece of crystal you have. I picked this one up at my local craft store, kind of shiny and pretty, and it holds taper, so I chose my favorite colored taper. And I'm going to place that in the candle holder. And then I've chosen to use fake flowers. If you're doing something for an event, you could use real flowers really easily. But I've chosen some that complement the color of my candle, and I'm just going to tuck them in around my candle holder really simply, and sort of build on the fact that the crystal candle holder itself is sort of a flower shape in itself. And then if I had a bunch of them going down the middle of my table, it'd be quite attractive. You could use any kind of flowers you want. The craft stores these days are full of all sorts of very realistic looking fake flowers, and as I said, you could use fresh flowers really easily as well. So I'm Ingrid Jones at the Urban Craft Center in Santa Monica, California. Happy crafting!